Howdy do, Rangeroos. We are going to be working on the loft function today. And you might be saying, that's a lofty goal. Okay, the loft function is going to enable you to do complex geometry similar to this right here. As you can see, it's tapered back. It's got a V function right there, or V shape. Let's go ahead and get right into it. File, new part. And this begins as a rectangle. Start 2D sketch. Rectangle right there. 2.5 by 1.5, so 2.5. Tab key. 1.5. Enter. Just like that. Finish the sketch, and this gets extruded out 1.5 inches deep. 1.5 right there. Now we are going to be drawing a V on the front and the back. So 2D sketch right here. And this begins, let's see, I'm just going to draw some construction lines to make this a little bit easier to understand. Coincident constraint right in the middle. Construction line straight down. Okay, so construction line up here, line straight down, that gives us the center, and construction line right on across. And I'm going to dimension that construction line 0.25 inches, 0.25 away. That is where we're going to be putting in the beginning of our V. Now, just a couple points to help us out. Point there, point there. I'm going to dimension those points, 0.25 from the edge. So 0.25, 0.25. Now there's a bunch of different ways to, oops, wrong symbol in there. There's a bunch of different ways to do this, but just at the level that you're at right now, construction lines and points really help out. So now, take away the construction line and create line. Not sure if you knew you could do that. Right click, line, boom, 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 and then one right across. So you've got a triangle right there. Finish the sketch, and now it's time to flip around to the back. Create a 2D sketch on the back. We're going to do much the same thing to make the geometry easy. Construction line, coincident constraint right down the middle, just like so. Create line, right on across. Dimension that line to 0.75. 0.75. And we're going to pop in 2 more points at the top. And these points get dimensioned 0.5 from the edge. So edge to point, 0.5, edge to point, 0.5. Click off the construction line, line, point, to point, to point, to point, and one right across there. Okay, click Finish Sketch, and now it's time to play with the loft function. And the loft will allow us, I always like to turn it so that I can see sort of both sides right here. The loft is going to let us choose our triangle right here. You can see that it's highlighted, okay? It goes over there. Flip it to the back. Click to add. Click this triangle, and you can see it's highlighted, okay? So it goes through. Let me show you this again. Loft tool, loft, triangle, click to add. That allows you to put the next sketch on there. triangle, and right here is the cut function. So click cut, then click OK, and it automatically lofts it for you. That, my friends, is a lofty goal. Okay, you've got the loft function now, how to do it. Save this piece as 5.5B underscore 4, and stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need in order to get the concept.